Hi, SHIP students. I want to thank you all for your cooperation with this very necessary transition to continuing your education and college experience from home. I know it has been very disruptive to your lives and that there have been many disappointments that have come along with it. I also acknowledge that being stuck at home right now is pretty difficult for many. COVID-19 has caught the whole world off guard, and consequently, critical decisions have had to be made rapidly with little to no planning in an attempt to save millions of lives, not only here in the United States, but worldwide. As you probably all know by now, COVID-19 is a virus not previously known to exist in humans prior to sometime near the end of 2019. New viruses are not that uncommon in human history. This one, however, is particularly contagious, perhaps 3 times more contagious than the flu. In addition to being more contagious than the flu, we are also faced with the fact that it is new and therefore no one has pre-existing immunity to it. Unfortunately, it can also be deadly, particularly for those who are older and for those with other health problems. Although most of you are healthy and in an age group less likely to require hospitalization or a ventilator, you still have a significant risk of experiencing a miserable several days when you come down with COVID-19. Some of you may be lucky enough not to experience any symptoms. However, you are very likely to spread this disease without knowing it. For the sake of your grandparents, parents, aunts and uncles, and friends with health problems who are so very vulnerable to serious illness from this disease and could even die from it, we need your ongoing help in limiting the spread of this disease for the weeks and months to come. Not only are we concerned about the ravages that COVID-19 may have on those most vulnerable to it, but we also know that this disease is going to consume a tremendous amount of healthcare resources, which will result in a reduction in our ability to adequately care for many other health problems, from mild to serious, including injuries from accidents, appendicitis, and so forth, that are common in college students. We must do everything we can to slow down the spread of the disease so that we can adequately take care of everyone with any health problems that may occur. So again, I thank you for your big sacrifices you are having to make and the great disappointments you are facing on behalf not only of yourselves, but of your family and friends. I plead with you to follow your governmental leaders in regards to the restrictions of activities that have been placed on you. Right now, and for at least the next few weeks, that means stay home. We are counting on you and know we will get through this together. The Health Center at Shippensburg University is operational with a telehealth service and available to you by calling 717-477-1458. We are here for you and thank you again for all the sacrifices that you are making.